Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to hide following follower list on Instagram. So first you just have to open your Instagram application and then tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Now under settings and privacy you have to scroll down. You will see different options here, but what you're going to do is to look for account privacy under who can see your content. Tap this one, and all you have to do is to toggle this one on. So switch to private account, tap switch to private. And that's it. So when your account is private, and then no one can probably see your post unless they will add you as their friend. So that's how you basically hide your following and follower list to those people who visits your profile, especially if you don't want them to know about your followers and following list. Now let me log out my account and then let me open my another account in order for me to let you see what does it look like if I visit my own profile. So let me go to the search bar and then look for my name on my other account. This is what it looks like. And that's how you basically hide your followers and following list. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.